All right, welcome everybody out to another video for the LeanTakt YouTube channel and showcasing the InTakt software, the application that we want all of you to be using for your tax planning needs. And in this video, I want to showcase something that's really cool. First of all, we changed the name up here for our client. This is a very large client, by the way, and we just switched it to confidential project. You can see we have the norm level schedule in here and the activities in here with a tie to a milestone. So this is what you would normally see in a tax plan. But one of the things that we're constantly asked is if you move one of these activities or if you extend it or delay it, will the application automatically adjust and then project that out to the other activities and then export it out appropriately? And so the answer is yes. So I'm going to take this activity right here. This is carpet LVT. You can see over here to the right, we have show default links. So all of this logic in here is retained and this milestone is linked. So let's take this activity and just for simplicity, let's extend it and say that that activity accidentally took longer. What would happen and would it retain the logic and would it extend it out? So let's go ahead and find out right now. So you see that when we go ahead and hit the save button over here to the right, we've shown the extension over here. All of this logic, and I'll go ahead and click on another activity as well. All of this logic has been retained all the way over here to the milestone. So the answer to the question of in the software, when you make an update, does it automatically represent that within the TAC framework? The answer is yes. And it also does it over here to our milestones as well. And again, when we go over here to export, we can export to PDF, Excel, or to our CPM schedules for P6 or Microsoft Project. And it's all in there and it saves you a ton of time. I hope you've enjoyed this. By the way, a shout out to Jimena. Jimena, thank you for getting this ready for us and giving us this tip. On we go.